Setting up a template for the first time use requires creating a lookup type and adding users requiring access to this lookup type. Get lookup type name and meaning details by navigating to the admin panel in the Excel template. In admin panel, refer to section lookup type setup. The Excel template validates user login by referring to the lookup type specified in the admin panel. To set up lookup type, navigate to Oracle Fusion. Go to the Setup and Maintenance page. From Setup and Maintenance page, search for the task Manage Common Lookups. Click the plus icon to add a new lookup type. Enter lookup type details specified in the admin panel. Save the lookup type record.